how to log into Fire Kirin app. Want to dive into the exciting world of Fire Kirin? Let's get you logged in quickly so you can start playing. First things first, open up your Fire Kirin app. There you can see two options over here. First one is sign in with Facebook and second one is play as a guest. This makes us clear that in order to log into Fire Kirin app, you need to have a Facebook account. So to log in, simply tap on sign in with Facebook. And just like that, you have logged in. You're ready to explore and play. And as you see, this was such an easy process. However, if you have any problem in logging in, you can comment down below and I'd love to help you. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.